Hello there! Today we're gonna see how to make the limoncello the healthy way. See you now! So in this cocktail we'll need 1 whole lemon juice squeezed, some agave syrup which has less quantity of sugar than in the normal sugar you use, and white egg. Now let's see how to do it.
Già il pieno e qua sambuca ma sono e ma bruco limoncello, limoncello come fresco, come buono, come bello limoncello, limoncello cameriere un limoncello per favor un finocchietto per chi te un vizietto grappa a bocchino che tutto un programmino te fai una strega e chi se ne frega niente cognac che te brucia shut up limoncello, limoncello come fresco, come buono, come bello limoncello, limoncello cameriere un limoncello per favor limoncello, limoncello come fresco, come buono, come bello limoncello, limoncello cameriere un limoncello per sognare.
So this is yours and this is mine. To your health. This is very amazing. It's citrusy, it's sweet at the same time, very close to the limoncello with alcohol. It's a good substitution if people want something without alcohol. It's full of vitamins, some proteins inside, a little bit of sugar. It's good for your health, so enjoy. By the way, you're not here, so I have to finish this one. See you in the next video. Bye.